Okay, what do we have today?
There's rugged, and then there's battlefield rugged. TE Connectivity's O.C.H microcircular connectors fall in the latter category, meeting the mechanical and environmental performance requirements of mil standard 810G, with typical applications including soldier vest cables, batteries, radios, antennas, and military vehicles. The connectors are protected by a lightweight aluminum shell and use thermoplastic inserts to minimize size and weight, because every ounce counts in body-worn applications. TE's O.C.H microcircular connectors are available in a wide variety of plugs, receptacles, and crimp contacts, and in different position counts and contact types. And they're intermatable with Net Warrior products. The connectors offer push-pull quick disconnect coupling for fast mating, with a breakaway force of 13 plus or minus 3 lbf. Copper alloy contacts are plated with gold over nickel and rated for 5 amps.